Good afternoon. Steve from All-Star Case Breaks doing a box of 17 Collegiate National Treasures football for Victor. Good luck, man. Alabama, 3 of 5. Joe Namath. For the University of Pittsburgh, Dan Marino, 19 of 25. Come on. And for some reason, this camera has a problem focusing on NT. University of Tennessee, Dobbs and Kamara, 5 of 99. Double autograph, C.J. Beathard and George Kittle, 6 of 15. Then a beautiful RPA, 24 of 99. Beautiful patch. Donnell Pumphrey, San Diego. And another nice RPA, 41 of 99. Samaje Perine. We'll do that one last. 6 of 75. Joe Mixon. And last card. Congratulations, man. For the Notre Dame Fighting Irish, 1 of 1. RPA, Go Irish. Congratulations, Victor. One of 1, DeShone Kizer. Congrats, man. Victor, let me know if you want any more. 3 left out of the case. Yeah. They loaded this stuff up, I would say.